15th Concawe Symposium is approaching, and I want to tell you more about it. The green energy transition is picking up speed. Every day new projects are announced, not only in Europe, but also in the US, Asia and the Middle East. A very long list. At the same time, the Ukrainian crisis re-emphasizes the need for energy security, of having abundant and affordable energy for all. It goes without saying that the fuels manufacturing industry also needs to adapt. The European Green Deal and the Fit for 55 show the way, but also the US Inflation Reduction Act gets things moving. In this context, the Concawe Symposium will highlight the challenges and hurdles to decarbonize. Questions like, is there enough biomass available? What is the impact on biodiversity? Are there enough battery materials? Is there enough renewable electricity? Will there be enough charging stations for electric vehicles? But mostly, what are the enabling technologies that will make the net zero energy transition to 2050 a success, while still incorporating liquid renewable fuels? If you want scientific insight in all these questions, please join us on the first day of the 15th Concawe Symposium on October 16th in Brussels. I hope to see you there.